In this month's Stay Crafty kit, you'll receive 2 wood alphabet blocks, a paintbrush, a small bottle of red paint, some felt leaves, and some wood tacks. You will need to provide a hammer. You'll just start by painting your block red. Make sure to get into all the little crevices and creases in the block. Use as many coats of paint as you'd like in order to achieve your desired effect. You may want to use a small heat gun or hairdryer to quickly dry the paint between coats. If you do, just make sure to use a lot of caution with that heat. Now you'll take the felt leaves. These have 2 different sides. One is more smooth and one has the embossed lines of the leaf. Make sure the lines of the leaf are facing up. Then pierce the tip of the leaf or leaves with the wood tack. Then find the center of the top of the block and use your hammer to lightly tap the tack into the block. We've used 2 leaves on one block and 1 leaf on the other just to add a little difference and visual interest to the blocks. So there you have it, just some little alphabet block apples to add fun decor for the upcoming fall season. As always, we'd love to see your finished crafts. Tag us on social at Fremont Library on Facebook or at Fremont Lib on Instagram and TikTok.